I'll let you go, Phil. Okay.
All right, first take off.
Thinking it
How about bring it closer, Pete?
Take it off.
So it'll be on the same camera. Fans, fans, fans. All right,
As I remember,
all
a
right.
handful.
Go, go.
I almost failed on that.
Very uneventful. The first one is more entertaining. All right, now to actually fly together. It's all right. You just need to fly steady and Pete will catch up with you. That's the whole plan. Where are you, Pete? Oh yeah, there you go. I can see two little dots. Yep.
God, this feels so much smaller than this.
Just fly like the big bully. The big one is flying on top of the small one. Don't speed up, Dr. Phil. Just let Pete catch up with you. Yeah, just let Pete catch up with you. So. You guys are too far apart. Bring it closer.
It's very difficult because they're so different in size.
It's okay, just fly higher. You won't make contact then. Come on, that's like 3 seconds apart. How am I going to put two of you together in the frame?
I'm going to learn to on the things. I've only got 3 minutes.
There you go. Oh, now you're ahead. Terrible formation. I demand another video. Landing? All right. All right, landing. All right, take your time. Keep your wing level. That's all you need to do. Yep.
Has your battery shifted? It looks
It's wobbling. Yeah, it's switching.
very pitch sensitive. It's still away this time regardless of whatever.
Yep. Just cut the throttle. Yep, wing level. Land it
Oh,
in one piece. Well done, Dr. Phil. All right. So Phil is roughly about E2. Fence, fence, fence. All right, I demand another flight, okay? You guys' formation are very terrible.